Hello, my name is Brigitte Garcia. I am a student in the second level of English. Here is my presentation, conditions connectors provided unless. Otherwise, when we want to express two ideas that sometimes can happen only under certain conditions, we can use conditional connectors. These connectors indicate specific circumstances that must be met for a particular outcome to occur. Examples: you can play video games as long as you tidy your room first. This means that playing video games is connecting up tidying the room first. Unless the economy improves, interest rate will go down again. That implies that interest rate will decrease if the economy does not improve. Reason connector because also that in order to when we want to explain the reason for some times, we use this group of connectors because being the most common. This connector helps to clarify with a particular action or event occurs. Example: many people study English because it's the important for their job. This sentence explains that the importance of the English for job in the reason why many people studying it. Due to heavy traffic, we arrive half an hour late. This indicates that having traffic was the reason for arrive late. Comparative and superlative adjectives, comparative adjectives, comparate adjectives, and use English to compare difference between two objects type the modified layer, smaller, faster, higher. They are employed in the sentence where we compare two noun structures as follows. Noun subject must verb must comparative adjective must done and noun object. Example: my house is larger than her. This box is smaller than the one I love. Superlative adjectives. I use it describe an object that is at the highest or lowest extreme of quality. The taller, the smaller, the faster, the highest. They are utilized in sentences where we compare and suggest with a group of object structure and follow. No subject, more verb, more the more superlative adjective, más no adjective, the group with which the comparison is made can be omitted if it is understood from the context, as seen in the lab example.